हाफिज सईद को इंडिया मोस्ट वांटेड टेररिस्ट मानता है मुंबई हमलों के केस में। कहीं भारत की पोजीशन कमज़ोर तो नहीं हुए इस फ्रंट पर? और हाफिज सईद ने कल प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कहा कि आप इंडिया को टेररिस्ट स्टेट डिक्लेयर कर दिए। कैसे देखते हैं आप इन डेवलपमेंट्स को?
उर्दू मैंने की भाषा किसी को लेकर हम लोग करें, मैं समझता हूँ उचित नहीं होगा। जो अधिकृत रूप से हमारा कष्ट है और जो हमारी अपेक्षाएं हैं हमारे पड़ोसी देशों से, और विशेषतः जो पाकिस्तान से हमारी अपेक्षाएं हैं, उनको हमने समय समय पर बड़ा स्पष्ट शब्दों में और स्पष्ट भावना में हम प्रकट कर चुके हैं। हम लोग सब सरकार में सारे ही मंत्रीगण इससे पूरी तरह से प्रभावित और संबंधित अपने आप को मानते हैं और उम्मीद ऐसी करते हैं कि जो हमारी स्टेटिक पोजीशन है, जो हमने अधिकृत रूप से अपनी बात को रखा है, उसको और मजबूत आप लोग भी करेंगे, मीडिया के लोग भी करेंगे और साधारण जन भी हमको अपना पूरा सहयोग देंगे, क्योंकि ये राष्ट्र का मुद्दा है और राष्ट्र हित में हमारा ये मानना है कि सब लोगों को एक ही ध्वनि, एक ही भाषा और एक ही भावना से बातचीत करें।
Mr. Khurshid, in English, do you concede that your Home Minister has given a handle for anti-India propaganda in Pakistan with his comments on Hindu terror or saffron terror? Tell us what you want.
Let me just say this to you very clearly, that our stated position that is shared fully by the Home Minister and the past Home Minister is based entirely on facts as the investigative agencies have made available to the government. The attempt to divert attention and to push it in a particular premeditated direction by some people was obviously repudiated by the information that was available with the Home Ministry, and that is the context in which all these statements are made. I think that we shouldn't be looking at finer notions of what should be and can be said at any given time. I think the core understanding is that there are elements who want to use some cover of pretense and some cover of allegations against other groups to continue on their nefarious and unwholesome activities. We have categorically said, not once but many times over, that any form of violence that is propagated by extremists of any kind, irrespective of religion, is what is dangerous for our country. Terror does not have religion. This we have said very clearly. And religion should not be associated with color. This we have said very clearly. It is terror that we have to fight, terror directed against India that we are fighting. And those are the facts available to the Home Ministry on which we have been consistently taking this statement. I think we should not get distracted by a phrase here or a phrase there, frankly. The intention, the commitment, the determination is what really matters, and I would urge media and people as a whole to support us in our fight against unwholesome terror.
सर, हिना रब्बानी खान ने जो इंटरव्यू के दौरान जो बातें कही थी कि दोनों विदेश मंत्रियां मुलाकात कर सकते हैं, वी बिलीव डिप्लोमेटिक चैनल्स के जरिए पाकिस्तान हाई कमिश्नर ने उस रिक्वेस्ट को कन्वे भी किया है। क्या उससे लेकर कोई सोच इस वक्त जारी है कि बातचीत या फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी लेवल पर या फॉरेन मिनिस्टर्स लेवल पर की जा सकती है?
देखिए, सबसे प्रथम बात है वो ये है कि जो वातावरण में ऐसा लगा था कि कुछ प्रश्न चिन्ह लगे हैं और वातावरण कुछ बिगड़ा है, हम सबका ये मानना है कि जब तक वो सब कुछ थम नहीं जाता, ठहर नहीं जाता और वातावरण फिर से संभल नहीं जाता, हमको तेज़ी में और जल्दबाजी में ना कुछ कहना चाहिए ना कुछ करना चाहिए। हमने अपनी अपेक्षाएं और अपने कष्ट सभी बड़े स्पष्ट रखे थे और उसके दूरगामी क्या प्रभाव पड़ सकते हैं, इस बात को भी हमने स्पष्ट किया था। परिप्रेक्ष्य हमारा अंततः वही है जो हम कई वर्षों से, एक सरकार नहीं हर सरकार भारत में प्रयास कर रही है कि हमारे क्षेत्र में शांति हो और अशांति जो लोग चाहते हैं उनको कोई अवसर ना मिले भारत के लिए और भारत के पड़ोस में ऐसी स्थिति पैदा करने के लिए जो हमारे लिए सकारात्मक ना हो। हम यही अपेक्षा आज भी करते हैं और जिस तरह जितना भी हम देखेंगे कि वातावरण में सुधार आता है और स्थिति जो है सामान्य की ओर बढ़ती है तो हम फिर आगे कदम उठाने का प्रयास कर सकते हैं, करेंगे, लेकिन बहुत जल्दबाजी में कोई भी निर्णय नहीं लेना चाहिए और हम मानते हैं कि सूझबूझ के साथ ही जो कुछ हो सकता है वो होगा। देश की भावना को भी साथ लेकर और जो हमारा इतना दूरगामी हमारे कदम रहे हैं उन सब का परिप्रेक्ष्य समझते हुए ही आगे निर्णय लिए गए।
Apologies, but could you now answer this in English? Are you willing to take up Pakistan's offer for talks now that it has come to
Well, as you know, the situation had unfortunately, because of certain unacceptable incidents, become under severe question. Atmospherics were deteriorating considerably, and therefore it was important for us that we first ensure that the atmospherics return to normal or near normal, that the expectation that we have in context of the unfortunate incidents that took place, that expectation be honored and be responded to, and that in totality the situation becomes more amenable and acceptable in terms of public perceptions and the general support that one needs to build when one takes these strong decisions and important decisions. Only then we will be able to take these decisions. We would advisedly not want to do anything in haste that would not lead to a constructive and creative outcome. So it's a situation in which we have to be careful. We have to watch and analyze before we take any steps in the direction that would be a meaningful one. Okay, thank you. Dhanyavad. You always ask the last question.
When you have a very long during the discussions, any point of time, any reference was made regarding the more than 300 worship places, including mosques, temples, were demolished by the Sri Lankan government in Sri Lanka, and also they are changing more than 60 Tamilian provinces' name has been changed. For example, Kilinochi, which was well known, has been renamed after Sinhalese name. And in those cases, instead of Tamilians, the Sinhalese have been forced to settle there. The government of India have taken serious note of it on any point of discussion which was brought into the discussion today.
We've discussed the broad principles of rehabilitation, reconstruction, and restoration. We have looked at the speed and the creativity with which attempts have been made to ensure that there is both equity and justice in a pervasive way. I think that the entire landscape is not possible to review every minute detail as far as two governments are concerned. But obviously, as and when anything comes that should be put on the table for discussions, we would always be willing to do so. There are obviously some decisions that are of local nature, decisions that need to be taken in a consensual manner and acceptable manner by Sri Lanka government in terms of expectations of all their citizens. And I think that's something that they will do. We are hopeful that there are steps being taken towards rehabilitation and reconciliation, which are very significant and important, and in which we certainly give our full support to Sri Lanka government. I can't actually talk about every specific detail which needs to be addressed and attended to by the Sri Lanka government, but as and when issues come to our notice, which we should get involved in, and that we should be able to bring that into the broad framework of any dialogue or conversation we have with friendly countries like Sri Lanka, we would certainly do so.
All of us are
about what you were trying to say on our original question on the issue about Hafiz Saeed and the like. You said Mr. Shinde's comments for anti-India propaganda. We're trying to understand, are you supporting Mr. Shinde while cautioning that the Home Ministry has said what it said based on information on activities of
I'm
those
simply saying that the Home Ministry, as well as any other ministry, makes its position in public and addresses public opinion based on facts that we believe are correct and true. And that's what would have been done. I'm only urging and requesting you not to be distracted by commentary that comes from elsewhere, which must be a self-serving commentary. What is important for us to do is to be clear about our position, and our position, I think, does not call for any further questions in one form or the other. I think our position is very clear. Working on around one phrase or another does not change our position. Position is clear, concise, and based on facts as we know them. Okay, thank you.